Hi everyone, Libraesva 2023 Infosecurity London. That's amazing. 10 years since we started the company back 2013, and this short video, this short message to say that we had really 3 great days here showcasing our technology, a team of professionals, having good conversation with clients, prospects, partners, and this is the Libraesva I imagine since the beginning. So it's a fantastic technology. I truly believe that we are there with nothing less than the big firms and the big giants around, and with incredible value that we are trying to expand and to make available not only in the UK but worldwide. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming visit. Thanks to make Libraesva what Libraesva is. Thank you. Bye.